Thanks for visiting OompaWeb and for checking out the OpenHouse real estate website. This website was built specifically for independent agents or for businesses to list property that they're trying to sell. Let's quickly review some of the core functionality. To begin with, all Oompa websites come with deep social media integration. As you can see in the header of the OpenHouse site, we've integrated Facebook social plugins. This allows your visitors to like this page or any property on your website, which posts it back to Facebook, giving you additional distribution and reach on the web. The homepage also has this featured image slider, so if there are particular properties that you want to list to all visitors to your site on the homepage, you can add a featured property here and allow them to click the Read More button to learn more about it. If you scroll down, you also notice that there's a featured text section over here, as well as a list of latest listings that you added to your site, and a fully functional loan calculator. It's important to note that OpenHouse comes with a content management system like you see here. In this content management system, you can pretty much control all the core functionality of your website, including what shows up on the home page, which agents you list on your site, property listings, and so on and so forth. You can use the content management system to either update listings that are currently on your site or add new listings. It just takes a few minutes to add a new property. You can specify the title of the property like you see here. Keep in mind that every single property that you list on the site comes with a Facebook like and a Twitter tweet button, so users can actually like this property. It'll indicate those Facebook users who have liked it, and again it'll publish this back to Facebook, giving you additional reach and distribution on the web. For each property that you list, you can indicate these specific details for the property that you see in the details pane, as well as upload a fully functional image gallery for every single property on your site. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there's also a Google Maps integration. So as you add the address for each property, it'll pull up maps for that location. And there's a module on the right-hand side of the property listing that indicates the agent for this site with their contact information. And if the user wants to send them an email, they can fill out this contact form here and submit the message. Your website will also come with this All Listings page that you see here. That way visitors can click All Listings and see every single property that you currently have available. Or they can simply use the Find Your Home feature in the sidebar of the website and search for any properties, whether it's by location, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, etc. And again, the loan calculator exists on just about every page of the site. Finally, there's an optional agents page. If you have multiple agents working for your organization, you can list those individual agents here. And as you click through to each agent, not only will you find that there's contact information and a bit of description about that person, but it also lists the properties that are associated with that agent. Just to reiterate, the OpenHouse theme comes with a content management system that allows you to control the entire inventory of products on your site, as well as most of the content. This really mitigates your need to have to go back to a developer and pay them time and time again to make simple changes to your site. And just to recap some of the functionality, you can add and edit the properties on your site. You can add and edit agents, such as shown in this section. You can determine the images that show up on the homepage slider that you see here. And you can control the other pages on your site and add specific pages into the header or into the footer. And there's a whole slew of features that show up under the appearance settings that you see here, as well as the theme options section. The theme options section is really powerful. Let me demonstrate a couple of the core functions. In the color scheme section, you can easily change the color of your website by changing the hexadecimal value that you see here. So we'll change that. We'll hit Save Changes, allow that to upload, revisit the website and refresh it, and you'll see that we now have a new color scheme for the site. That wraps up this video demonstration of the OpenHouse theme. If you're interested in having OompaWeb build this website for you, then feel free to send us an email at sales@oompaweb.com or just hit the Buy Now button on our site. Again, thanks for visiting OompaWeb.